Let's say you run a mobile phone company. As a mobile operator, you have millions of subscribers, and you're facing a problem: how to collect money from your users. Now, you don't have to create and manage your own distribution network, hire additional personnel, invest in a separate billing system, etc. You don't have to track and collect cash streams. You don't have to spend money on scratch cards. By using our system, you can offer your clients additional online services. Cash Collector makes payment collection easy and offers extensive and customized reporting for each transaction. The system can easily be integrated into any operator-owned billing system without any setup or monthly fee. We provide the ability for controllable end-user pricing and commission allocation. Our client-oriented system and customer care allows reaching all segments in the market and is accessible anywhere: internet, on the run and mobile, self-service terminals, and any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Cash Collector means safe transactions because each online transaction is supported by cutting-edge security standards. Our highly reliable access handles 2,000 transactions per second and up to 100,000 client connections. You want reporting that's convenient for you? No problem. We even support GPS locators, and you can watch as our new locations appear on the map. Cash Collector's in-house team of developers is continuously working on further enhancement of the system. Now you can use our solutions to increase your company's profitability and offer your clients better access without stepping away from your desk. We offer client-oriented solutions. Smart payment solutions that do work.